Create this amazing Invoice Customer Entry Form using Excel data validation and Vlookup functions. To start, select the data range, then go to Merge and Center, then select Merge Across. Click Align Left. Next, go to View tab and uncheck Grid Lines for a cleaner worksheet. Next, we need to create a data source for customer list. Go to Customer Sheet, select all data and create a table by pressing Ctrl-T. Rename the table to Customer_Table1. Next, return to Invoice Worksheet, and now we will create a data validation list. Go to Data tab, Data Validation, then select List on Allow dropdown. Then go to Customer Sheet, select the customer list, then click OK. We can now select all the customers in drop-down list. Let's proceed to the second part of this video. We will use Vlookup function to get the data from the customer list. On address data, type this. The lookup value is the customer cell. The table array is the customer_table1. And number 2 for the column index. Lastly, select false for exact match. Then select C8 and press F4 to lock the cell reference. Then hold the cell down to copy the formula. Next, we will change each formula and change the column index based on its column. Let's check this. The email address is number 3. The contact number is index number 4. And the TIN number is index number 5. We now have created this amazing Invoice Customer Entry Form. Change the customer name and the data will automatically update. On the last part of this video, we will do some formatting and error handling, so stay. To start, highlight the data range, then go to Home, Conditional Formatting. Select New Rule and select Format Only Cell that contains. Then select Blanks. Click Format and select any color format. Any blank cell will now have a color to avoid any blank data entry. As you can see, there is a NA error. To remove this, we will add if function to the Vlookup formula in each cell. Add a formula if cell C8 is blank, therefore the cell will be blank. Do this to all formula and all the error will be removed. I hope you enjoy our series for creating this amazing customer entry form. Like, share and follow for more tips.